Today, we're looking at how to make a car, but not just any car. We're making a sidecar. Let's go!
My body is ready.
Let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want Cointreau, Cognac, lemon juice, and today's glass of choice, a coupe. Now the standard recipe doesn't require it, but I'm gonna be adding egg whites to this mix, mainly because I'm not using a garnish, and if I'm not using a garnish, I at least wanna see a foam. Come on now. As always, we're using a Ziploc bag because we're making cocktails at home. And now, it's time to freak out! With your ingredients. First, you're gonna want 3/4 of an ounce of your Cointreau. Then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of your lemon juice. And then 1.5 ounces of your Cognac. And for me personally, you don't have to do it, I'm gonna be adding 1 egg white. I just remembered, I forgot to dry shake again. This happened in the last video. I keep forgetting to dry shake. It's killing me. Dry shake those egg whites, okay? You need to emulsify it. Let me Okay, now let's get this guy sealed up and shake off some demons.
Bumbleclad!
Woo! Did you subscribe yet? I'm watching you. So I have the coupe in the fridge chilling. I'm gonna go grab it and we're gonna get our drink poured in. Now let's get our sidecar double strained into this coupe. That looks pretty good, to be honest. The foam isn't too much. It's almost the perfect amount of foam. I'm with it, I'm on board, 100%. Now, like I said, you don't need a foam for this sidecar, but I just need some sort of flavor in this drink. I can't just look at a coupe cocktail and not have it have either foam or a garnish. So that's just my own personal addiction. Just like that, our sidecar is complete. Now all that's left is to give it a little taste rating to see just what we're dealing with. Yes. Now that's good. This has strength, this has flavor, and it has texture. 3 elements that come together to make a sexy little bundle of goodness called a sidecar. I highly recommend. I've never had a sidecar before this video, to be honest, so this is a first. And it's damn good. Oh, this is so good. But don't take my word for it. You take the sip and love life. Guys, you know the drill. You like the videos I'm pumping out, you like my content, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys for my next cocktail, which should be within the week maybe, or early next week. I try to get it in like a span of 5 days, hopefully, since I do work. So I need to spread my time wisely and not burn out. But yeah, I'll see you guys for my next video. And click the notification button so you know when my videos go up, okay? I'll see you guys for my next video. I'll see you